This one is how to add photos once you have added these extra rows. So you would click into whichever box you are wanting to add the photo into. And then at the very top here, you're going to click Image. And then you're going to, whatever folder you want to put the images into. Then you're going to scroll down here to the very bottom where it says Upload File. So you're going to browse for the file name you're looking for. I'll just do this one real quick. Again, I'm on my son's computer. And then we're going to hit Start Upload. Then you will see it. I think it was, yeah, Cute Band. So the title that you had, you're going to click that once so it has the green check, and you're going to click Insert. Now it's really big, so you're going to click the image. You're going to click Image again. Wait, no, I'm sorry. You're going to click the image, then you're going to right mouse click on it. This is where you're going to hit Image. And you're going to put dimensions 100% and click OK. And so it's going to be 100% of that box width. Actually, you know what? Sorry about this. Right mouse click, I believe it's 96%, so it doesn't overlap. Image. We are going to go 96%. There we go. So that's the right width. And then you would hit save and close or save to continue on. But that's how you would add those.